Welcome to this video that discusses setting up your Java environment for AI development. After watching this video, you will be able to list the advantages of using Java for AI development and explain the steps to set up the Java environment for AI development. Let's consider the case of your organization, which wants to develop an enterprise-level, production-ready, scalable AI application and is exploring Java as one of the options. Before they make the selection, it's important to understand the aspects that make Java a good choice. Using Java to develop an AI application can initially seem daunting. However, with the right environment setup, you will be able to build intelligent applications easily and quickly. Java offers several advantages for AI development, such as platform independence through the JVM, robust memory management, extensive libraries and frameworks, enterprise-grade stability, and strong typing that helps catch errors. The Java environment is easy to set up. Begin by installing the Java Development Kit, or JDK. JDK is the foundation of the Java development environment. You must use Java 11 or a more recent version for AI development. For this, visit the Oracle website or use OpenJDK to download and install the latest version. After the installation, verify if it's working by opening the terminal or command prompt and typing Java version. The output will display the installed Java version. Although you can write Java code in any text editor, an integrated development environment, or IDE, makes development more efficient. The most popular environments for Java AI development are IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, and Visual Studio Code. While IntelliJ IDEA is feature-rich with excellent AI library integration, Eclipse is free and open source with a large plug-in ecosystem, and Visual Studio Code is lightweight but powerful with Java extensions. IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition provides an excellent balance of features and ease of use for beginners. Next, let's look at build tools that help manage project dependencies and the build process. The two most commonly used tools are Maven, an XML-based dependency management tool, and Gradle, a flexible script-based build tool. For a new AI project, add the Maven dependency to the pom.xml file to include a popular machine learning library. The sample code displayed on the screen adds Deep Learning 4J to your project, giving you access to neural network implementations and tools. Java has a rich ecosystem of libraries for AI development. These include Deep Learning 4J, a native deep learning library for Java, Veka, which includes a collection of machine learning algorithms, and JavaML, a machine learning library focused on simplicity. Let's look at an example. The code to add Veka to the Maven dependencies is displayed on the screen. Next, the screen displays the code for creating a simple project implementing a basic classifier using Veka. This code will load the famous iris flower dataset from the location https://www.kaggle.com/datasets/archid/iris flower dataset. It will set the class index, the attribute you are trying to predict. Additionally, it will create a J48 decision tree classifier, build the classifier with data, and print out the resulting decision tree. For optimal performance, you must set the environment variables as in the code displayed on the screen. The code will enable you to allocate between 1 GB and 4 GB of memory for the Java virtual machine, which is important for memory-intensive AI operations. Version control is essential for any development project. To track changes to your code, you need to install Git. You can create a .git ignore file that excludes large datasets and model files. Take a moment to view the code displayed on the screen. You can run a simple test to ensure everything is set up correctly. Take a moment to view the code displayed on the screen. This code prints your Java version and available memory, confirming the environment is ready for AI development. Next, let's look at how to troubleshoot some of the common issues. If you see the error Java_home not set, ensure you've set the Java_home environment variable correctly. If you encounter dependency errors in Maven, Check if you've added the correct dependency version in the pom.xml file. In case of IDE performance issues, ensure your system has enough resources to process data. It is recommended that you have at least 8 GB of RAM on your system. With the environment set up, you can begin AI development using Java. You can start with the simple machine learning algorithms before moving to the more complex neural networks and deep learning models. In this video, you'll learn that Java offers several advantages for AI development, such as platform independence through the JVM, robust memory management, extensive libraries and frameworks, enterprise-grade stability, and strong typing that helps catch errors. Begin setting up the Java environment by installing JDK. Use a recent version of Java for AI development work. Some of the popular IDEs for Java AI development are IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, and Visual Studio Code. The two most commonly used build tools that help manage project dependencies and the build process are Maven and Gradle. The libraries Java includes for AI development include Deep Learning 4J, Veka, and Java ML. Configure environment variables to allocate between 1 GB and 4 GB of memory for the Java virtual machine, which is important for memory-intensive AI operations. To track code version changes, install Git. Test the environment to ensure everything is set up correctly and is ready for AI development.